Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of not receiving the email verification code on your iPhone. If you're stuck waiting for the code and it never arrives, don't worry, this video has got you covered. So let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Manually select your phone number. Sometimes when you try to log into your Gmail, the verification code is sent to the device where your Gmail is already signed in instead of being sent to your phone number. To fix this, tap Try Another Way when you are on the verification screen. Then select Send to your phone number. Now the code should be sent directly to the number linked to your Google account. Method 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Here's how to check. Open Safari or Chrome browser. Try visiting any website. If the page doesn't load, reconnect to your internet before trying again. Method 3. Check notification settings. Sometimes the code does arrive but you don't see it because of notification settings. Here's what you need to do. Go to Settings Application. On the Settings, swipe down and tap Notifications. Tap Show Previews and select Always. Now go back, scroll down and tap Messages. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Also check that Lock Screen, Notification Center and Banners are all selected. Method 4. Turn off Do Not Disturb. If your iPhone is in Do Not Disturb mode, you might not see any incoming messages, including verification codes. Here's how to fix it. Swipe down to open Control Center. Tap on the Focus or Do Not Disturb icon. Make sure it's turned off. Once disabled, open your Messages app and check again if the verification code has arrived. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.